Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be showing you some slime. Sorry about this girl here. She might be getting in this video. But right now I'm playing with one slime and I don't exactly know what to call it yet, but it's a white fluffy slime. I have got a name for it in my head, but I don't know whether to call it yet. Because it's called, because it's white and it's fluffy and it's very thick, and I was thinking sometimes snow can get thick, and most of the time snow's white, unless a dog wheezes on it, then it turns yellow, which is rather gross. But yeah, just a plain white fluffy slime. Right, listen to this. Can you just be quiet a minute? Listen to this poking noise, it's amazing. Right, so that's one slime. I've just got to go and get another slime. I'll be back in a minute.
Good. Oh, sugar. Anyway, hi Mohammed. If you've got any questions, feel free to if you've got any questions, basically, feel free to ask them. Oh wow. What is that everybody else like? Are you like Turkish or like English? Like I'm fully English. So yeah. Hi Connor Foster. Hi Jukestar. Hi Sammy, by the way. Oh, that's her slime. Basically, guys, that's her slime. If you wasn't on my last that's her slime. Please can everybody hit that like button, because basically I want to get it up to how many likes it actually already. When I can see how many likes it's at already, I'll say how many likes I want to get it at, and then we'll play a game. So yeah. Let's get it to 30 likes. And then we'll play. Right. Please can let everyone like one moment actually.
Okay guys, sorry about that.
So you don't stuff.
Right, okay.
Oh, this is recording it.
Right, okay, I've got like a bum to show you. Right, okay, so the spoon, what I like to make my slime with, and this is the container that one stays in. Got two more slimes to show you. So, yeah, let me just get this one out of the container. And I've not played with this one in a really long time.
Oh, that's when you got a timer.
I've not played with this one in a really long time.
That's dead waterish.
Will you stop putting into my videos?
It is though.
Right, so I saw it's just coming out the container. And it's not really slime. Obviously, I think it's too watery. So if you know how to fix this slime, then please let me know down in the comments. Because, like, it's not even slime. It's too sticky. So it's going to have some borax or ice solution to it. I brought this one because I want to start buying slimes and see, like, how other companies' slimes feel. Okay. Oh, right, that's perfect. That view. Okay. Put the lid on this. You know, gotta keep it safe. You know, add that little bit of slime. Okay. So that is the perfect view there. Right. So it's not really slime, if you can tell. It's not even pokey. So this is a bad slime. And this is how they make slime in Wales. And it's not even slime. Look, see, it's not even slime. So it needs some more like borax or ice solution. I brought this one when I was in Wales, and obviously it does not make slime. But this one,
the cook's over here, by the way, if you want. Okay, guys.
Right, so this one is amazing. Like, it's not even that good. I prefer my own slime. I have made it the other one. And this one, you can't even make an Instagram trail because when you're about to end it, look, it sticks to your finger, or it just turns into a blob like that one. For indecent. But I have got one more slime, and then we'll obviously come back and give a review on these slimes.
Hi.
So, oops, the camera's shaking.
Hi, nice to me, and hi, Tyrion.
Right, okay. This slime gets all over the place. This is why I don't really use it, because
what's everyone's like favourite song?
It actually makes a mess everywhere. Okay, so if I add...
And also, please can we hit the like button if we get to, let's say 30 likes, I will play a game. Hi, King Bowser, hi.
Alright, so obviously never buy slime from Wales. Sorry if you're Welsh, but
so please
I don't really like your slime because it's
get my likes to 30
really messy
likes,
and like, yeah, it ain't really best slime. Yeah, I've felt that worse ones. Okay, I'm just gonna have to go wash my hands before the next one. So that's slime.
Basically, she's messing with slime, and it's just what's out. So yeah, guys. Hi, man. Oh, hi. Try and get the likes to 30.
Hi guys.
Try and get the likes to 30.
Right,
and
so
then we will
the
play
next
again.
one is I brought from Smith's a couple of months. Wait, no, I'm in year 7 now. So it was last year, and this is how it's turned. So this is the tub.